back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Antideke, and if today is your first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You're very welcome. Yes. So today we're going to be learning. We're going to continue in learning our Yoruba alphabet. Now I know you're wondering, Oluko Antideke, but I thought we've learned all of the 25 alphabet, the consonants and the vowels. Yes, we've learned all of that, but there's still a few things that we need to learn. I know we've learned about the syllables, but we're also going to learn about there are two types of vowels. Okay, one of the vowels is the one you pronounce with your nose, and the other one is the one you don't pronounce with your nose. Okay, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enyo, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Akudejasiko ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò lónìí a máa tẹ̀síwájú nípa àwọn álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì èdè Yorùbá. Ẹ máa wò pé olùkọ́ a rò pé a ti kọ́ nípa àwọn álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì àrùndínlọ́gbọ̀n tó wà nínú èdè Yorùbá. A ti kọ́ nípa consonant àti fáwẹ́lì, a ti kọ́ nípa àwọn sílébù èdè Yorùbá. Lóòótọ́ ni àmọ́ ó ṣì kù níbọn ń ró. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ nípa fáwẹ́lì àránmúpè àti àìránmúpè. Ṣóyè yín? Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe mọ̀, màá gbìyànjú láti fi èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì kọ́ àwọn ọmọ mi. Ẹ máa bá wa kà lọ. All right, guys, like I said, we've got two types of vowels in Yoruba language. Fáwẹ́lì oríṣi méjì ló wà. What I've just said now in Yoruba is there are two types of vowels in Yoruba, okay? And like I explained earlier, there is one that we pronounce with our nose, and there's another one that we don't pronounce, another set of vowels we do not pronounce with our nose, okay? So the ones we pronounce with our nose is called àránmúpè. Fáwẹ́lì àránmúpè. Fáwẹ́lì àránmúpè, okay? And the one that we don't pronounce with our nose is called fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè. Fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè. Àìránmúpè. The other one is àránmúpè. And the other one is àìránmúpè. Okay, so please repeat after me. That is A-N. And you know that our A in Yoruba alphabet pronounce what? A. And our N is pronounced what? Ni. Okay, so it's okay, A-N. What you can derive from for example, is Adan. Adan. Adan is a bat. E-N. And that's the second type of àránmúpè. So the first one is A-N, the second one is E-N. Okay? And so for example, ìyẹn, that one. Ìyẹn, I-N. For example, ìgbín, ìgbín. Okay? The fourth one is O-N. So for example, àgbọn. Okay, àgbọn. Okay, àgbọn is coconut. Coconut. Okay, U-N. Ikùn. Ikùn. Okay, did you get that? So we have okay, those are the 5 vowels that we pronounce in our nose. You're wondering, Antideke, what are you on about today? I know, just follow me. I'm telling you, it's easy. So, A-N, Adan, bat. Yeah, that one. Ìgbín, snail. Àgbọn, coconut. what ikùn is. I'm not gonna tell you what ikùn is. No, you're gonna find out what ikùn is because I touched in the body part a few weeks back. Okay, and those are vowel aromupe. Okay, and then our normal vowel, like is the one that is called airomupe, which is just a normal a, e, o, u. All right, which I'm sure you know what this alphabet stands for, and that is it for our vowel aromupe and vowel airomupe. Do you understand that? Okay, so tí mo bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín wípé kí ni vowel airomupe, ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ lè sọ fún mi, ṣé ti gbọ́? What I've just said now is if I ask you about the vowel of aromupe, you should be able to tell me what they are. Number one, there are 5 of them. We've got A-N, E-N, I-N, O-N, and U-N. Okay? All right, then, on to that. I see you next week. All right, as you know, we're going to be saying our own alphabet together on the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, O, Double. Thank you very much. Eshew.